Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your INTEX Aqua Shine 4G, for the first you have to enter the settings. Right now we have to scroll down to enter language and input. Right here we have to choose our keyboard, and the current keyboard is the Android keyboard, and we have to click on the Android keyboard. Then we have to move to the keyboard theme, the appearance in the layouts. There is the theme, and right now we can choose between the material dark, hollow white and hollow blue. I will stay probably with the hollow blue. And this is how you change the keyboard theme in the INTEX Aqua Shine 4G. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments.